Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Subhrajit Asst, Assistant Professor in Marine Engineering College. So in this video, what is my today topic is this one, standard stream. Standard stream. Already we have discussed about this topic in the previous classes, that is IO operation, input and output operations. Here through this we will get little bit more clarity on that. Standard stream. So why it is called a standard stream, right? Stream. First of all, try to understand the meaning of streams. If you search any dictionary or you will search in any browser the meaning of stream, it will come bunch of things. Examples are stream of airs, stream of waters. Like this, we can say stream of air, stream of waters, right? We can say like this. Similarly, also we can say stream of data, right? Stream of data. So in this topic, the standard stream is related to the stream of data, not stream of air or other things. Stream of data. So what do you mean by this stream of data? Sir, whenever I'm giving the input to any software, right? You know, the software, any software we are using, any software we are using in our mobile phone, in laptop, anywhere we are using any software. This software having three concepts, or the software is working on three phenomena, three principles. What is that? We will give input to the software, right? Some input the software will be asked, the user has to be given, and after that, if your input is correct, that means suitable for the software will give the output, right? The software will give the output. If the software is not compatible with your input, then the software will give what? The software will give error. Some error message will be displayed. That means you are giving some invalid input, or that input is not suit to that software. It's expecting some other kind of inputs. Like that, three things is going to be happen. What is the three things? Input the software is expecting. If it is a valid input, then definitely user will get a output. If it is not valid, then definitely one error message will be displayed. So any software in the worldwide, this is expecting these three things: input, output, and error, right? So this is just about one software I told. Whenever I'm writing any C program, that program also expecting some input. Okay. After getting the input, the program may give some output. If your program is correct, syntactically correct, no error is there, error-free program. If some error will be there, then it will display the error, right? So by using this program only, we are developing what? Software or not? Same features also available here in the programming. So in this topic today, what we are going to discuss, standard stream means, sir, whenever we are giving input, most of the cases, we are not giving single data, single input. That means single character, we are not giving. We are giving multiple character, combination of characters, numbers. That means that multiple characters or combination of number characters, special characters, we can say we are giving the input stream of data. In a stream of data, not a single data, single character. I'm not giving to a program. Single character or single data I'm not giving to a software. Rather, I'm giving multiple characters, not only multiple characters, multiple numbers, multiple special characters. Lot of things I'm giving input to a software, to a programs. So those multiple characters, multiple numbers, multiple special characters, we can call that we are giving stream of data to a software. right? Stream of data to a software. In the same way, while the software is giving output, it is not giving a single character. It is not giving a single character. Rather, it is giving number of outputs: one line, two line, three line. Number of output it is giving. That means we can say we are getting the output also stream of data. Okay, stream of data output also we are getting. We are giving input in the form of stream. We are getting output in the form of stream, right? We are getting output in the form of stream also. So what they have done to get more clarity on this stream of data, what they have done, sir, they classified or they categorized these three categories. You know, first one is what? First one is what? Input stream. Okay, input stream. Input stream means we are giving stream of data as a input. Input stream. It is also called as stdin, standard input. Standard input. Second one is output stream. Output stream. It is also called as std out. And third one is error stream. A stream of error or error stream. Okay, or it is also called as stderr. Error, right? These are the three things. Sir, how I am giving the stream of data or input stream? By default, I am giving the input from which one? From keyboard, right? Keyboard. So this keyboard is called as, because from the keyboard only I am giving to a program some data, some input data I am giving. So not only keyboard, if any other devices are there from where you can give input, that also called as input stream or stdin. Another example I will tell, suppose instead of giving from the keyboard, I will give the input to my program, to software from a file, okay, online, Microsoft Word or Notepad, every data is there, in some data is there. That total file I will give to the program. I will give to the program, right? I will give to the program. That means I am not giving input from the keyboard, rather I'm giving the input from a file to my program or to a software. So in that case, the file also treated as a file also called as what? stdin. From which source you are giving input, that source is called stdin, a standard input source, right? Similarly, here output stream meaning is what? stdout. That means whatever we are displaying here on the monitor, right? Monitor where I am getting the output, sir? On the monitor screen also I am getting the output. So here stdout by default it is called what? Monitor or console. Console or monitor, that means the screen. Okay, monitor is the concept. That means whatever the output we are getting from this program, that is displayed where? Displayed in this monitor. So this monitor is treated as output stream or stdout, out, standard out, right? In the same way, error also we are getting where? In the same console or monitor, right? Whether it is a valid output or it is giving some error message, both things we are getting where? In the monitor screen or console, right? So the output stream is also called as stdout, and error stream is also called as std, and these are the default devices, right? Default devices for which this stdin, stdout, and stderr stands for, right? That means these are one file, stdin one file which indicating the keyboard, stdout one file which indicating the console or monitor, stderr one file which indicating also this console and monitor. Sir, how this stdin is working? Suppose from the keyboard I'm giving some input, I'm giving some the keyboard, I'm giving some input. Then that input will goes to where? To the CPU processor, right? The processor is there. it will go to the processor. Sir, how from the keyboard data I'm giving from the keyboard here A B C D or some characters, some special characters 1 2 3 4 it is written. How the data is flowing from keyboard to here? Okay, na? Through this one stdin. Sir, for that I have to use several input functions. We have already discussed get char, right? Get char, gets function, scanf function. These are the valid input functions through which data can be input. One character, multiple character, a stream of data can be input to a program, to a software, right? So these are called what? stdin. Similarly, after the input getting, the data is processed here, and from this it is going to where? It is going to the monitor. It is going to the monitor. The monitor I'm getting the output, right? If my data is valid, then a valid output I'm getting. So how the data is flowing from this processor to this output through this stdout file, okay. So stream of data is flowing here. So we know and which functions are responsible to display. Already discussed. Printf is there, puts is there, putchar is there. All these functions are responsible for displaying our data. In the same way, if I'm getting any error also, okay, if I'm getting any error also, then that error also displayed where? On this. For that, which one is the responsible? stderr is the responsible. So here I have written some notes on that. Standard stream in C. C provides a 3 standard stream: stdin, standard input. Default input source is a keyboard. That means from the keyboard we are giving the input. I told if any other input device is there, then also that will be considered as stdin. And one more thing is file also. From file also directly we are giving the input, right? Now standard output is what? Default output destination is a screen, right? Screen means monitor. Same is also for stderr, used for error message. That means displaying to the screen only, right? You display to the screen only. Now so input stream, I told the input stream is the flow of data from an input device, keyboard, into program. Okay, I'm giving the input to the programs. Okay, through what? Through the keyboard. And how this data is flowing from keyboard to the program? By using this functions. Which functions? Scanf function, getchar function, gets functions. Already we have discussed all these things, right? Similarly, output stream. Output stream, the flow of data from the program to one screen on monitors or file also. Instead of printing in the screen, we can print in another file also. That concept will study in the latter. In the future, we will study, right? File handling system is there. Then in that case, we will study. And here, what are the functions responsible for that? Printf, putchar, puts function. Just I mentioned here, right? Now this one is what? stderr. It is predefined output stream, right? Which used to display error message, right? Unlike stdout, stderr is buffered, meaning that error messages are displayed immediately without being stored in a buffer, right? So about this buffer, later we will talk. This is right now it is not required. So here this is the few explanations about this one. Now see here I have given some differentiations between stdout and stderr. Purpose is what? Normal program output. Okay, now if your program is giving a valid output, that is taken by the stdout, that is responsible to display. And error message for stderr. Okay, now buffered. Yes, buffered. No. Okay, later we will discuss. Can it be redirected? Yes, it can be redirect. It is also redirect. Redirect means from the program it is coming to screen. From the program it will come to screen. And output device is what? Screen and screen, right? Okay, na? So this is the several points about the these standard streams, right? And one more important point I want to tell here. This stdin internally mapped with a numeric value. That numeric value is 0. And stdout mapped with a numeric value internally. That numeric value is 1. And stderr error mapped with a numeric value 2, right? this three values 0, 1, 2. 0 is mapped to the stdin, 1 is mapped to the stdout, and 2 is mapped to the stdin. Sometimes instead of writing this one, if you write the numeric value also, same functionality we will achieve. That's why they are linked with mapped with these three things with three different numerical value 0, 1, and 2. I hope this concept is understand to you. So in the next video, I will discuss some next new topic. Okay, let me give you some examples here. Simple. What is the example, sir? Already we have discussed this one. Suppose I'm taking one variable character, okay, name, okay, 20, right? Name 20. Now I'm giving here, sir, printf. Now printf, that means display. stdout will be take this message and display in the screen. Right? Enter name. Enter name. Like this message will be displayed. Okay, enter name. Next, scanf. Scanf function, it is used to read the value from the keyboard, right? That is stdin, that is input stream, right? And comma ampersand name. I'm writing like this, right? Name. And again, I'm printing what? Name, or puts directly, sorry, like printf percentile yes, comma name, right? This is a small program. Now suppose you see alt F9, any error, one error. See error message display here. Error message display here. What is the scnf? Scanf. See where is the error? Observe carefully. Scanf. Scanf spelling is what? SCANF. Scanf, right? Okay. Alt F9. Now see error gun and control F9. See what is asking, sir? Enter name. Now the enter name I had written in the printf functions. So printf functions is responsible to display that particular statement, right? Statement. But see enter name E is there, N is there, T is there, here one by one character. So data stream. Who is responsible? stdout is responsible to synchronize this data. And at a time, all total sentence is displayed. Otherwise, only E will be displayed. NTER, NAME. So because of this stdout output data stream, all this data, whatever I'm giving, whatever typed there, it is synchronized by that, and at a time, all the sentence is displayed. Now I'm giving the inputs. My name is Subhrajit. Now see. I typed my name. My name is SUB. So whenever I'm typing individual characters, it is not directly displayed. First data is synchronized. By which one? By stdin, right? All the data is synchronized. Whenever I'll press enter key, then output will come. Okay, some mistake is there. Okay, here percentile is small s, right? Alt F9, control F9. Now see, Subhrajit. Now whatever input I gave, how many character I gave, all the characters synchronized by the stdin. When I press the enter key, then my name is printed, right? And whenever the name is displayed, again the stdout synchronized all the characters. First S, then U, then B, then H, then R. Like this, all character at a time displayed. So this is the work of stdin and stdout. And one more thing, suppose knowingly I will do any mistake here, semicolon I will delete, immediately what will be happen, sir? Error message here. See the green color statement missing error. So this monitor or the screen is act as both for stdout and stderr error. I hope this concept understand to you. In the next video, I will discuss some new topic. Okay, na? New topic I will discuss. Till then, you take care and bye.